Hi guys, my name is Emma and this is my first ever YouTube video. I'm pretty new to card collecting, to be honest. I mean, I've been a fan of the NBA for a long time, but I only really got into picking up the cards around the middle of last year. So I'm still learning a lot about the hobby, what sort of things are good, what sort of things aren't, and trying to decide, what sort of things I want to collect in the long term. I'm based in the UK, but I recently took a trip over to New York in the States. Was hoping to pick up, as many cards as I could, especially at retail, because you can buy cards over here in the UK, but you tend to have to get them online. And as we all know, the resale on basketball especially has been going through the roof a little bit. So while I was over in New York, I managed to get these two blaster boxes from Target. I also managed to get a couple of Contenders blasters, and then I also picked up Donruss hobby box and an NBA Hoops hobby box, but that was from a comic book store, so it wasn't the retail, but I'm still going to look forward to opening them on the channel. In another Target, I was able to pick up a couple of fat packs, and I managed to pull a Zion and a jar, just base cards or base inserts, but always happy to pull you of these guys, especially a fan of them around the season. Loving what the Grizzlies are doing, so I'm hoping that we can get a few more decent pulls out of these boxes. So I paid $19.99 for each of these blasters, 88 cards in a box. You get one autograph or memorabilia card per box, although it's hard to pull an autograph, I gather, so the majority of it is going to be memorabilia. If you want to pause it now, you can get a better look at the sort of things that we can expect from these boxes. As I say, I'm quite new to the hobby, so I'm not that experienced in what sort of things you do find in the boxes, but looking forward to starting to open some things and check it out. So let's get into the break. When I was over in the States, I thought the Optic release was going to be about a week earlier than it actually was, so I was hoping to pick up some Optic when I was over there, but luckily I don't know whether it was pushed back a week or whether I just got the dates wrong, but absolutely no chance. And from what I gather, even if I had been over there when it was released, I had very little chance of picking it up at Target or anywhere like that. I've seen lots of people trying online and not really managing. So here are our packs. Let's dig in and have a look. So our first card out of the box, base PJ Tucker. This is what the design looks like for people who are new to checking out Donruss. Nice orange back. I mean, Houston's getting a lot of talk at the minute, aren't they, with the whole small ball thing. Interesting to see how the second part of the season goes after All-Star break. Laurie Markkinen, Blake Griffin. Ah, nice. Big D-Rose fan. Such a great guy. It's a shame he's moved around so much recently. Whoa, first pack mojo. Hey. Super chuffed about that. It's a High Momentum rookie. It's a base card. Still absolutely great to have this guy in his first season. Hoping he lives up to the hype. So we got Nizia Little, Bogdan Bogdanovic, and Josh Hart. So not bad for the first pack, eh? Struggling a little bit with these packs. Right. Let's see. Pack 2. Damari Cowell. Just gone over to the Houston Rockets to join Eric Gordon. Chandler Hutchinson. And a nice orange laser, Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Not bad rookie. Started off the season better and kind of not been as great in the run up to All-Star, but still loads of potential. Again, I don't think those are numbered. Darius Baisley, Luka Simanchuk, Danny Green, Andre Robertson. I'm kind of sorry for my pronunciation as well. There's a lot of players I'm going to struggle probably to pronounce, but I will try and get better at it. If you have any suggestions on how I should be pronouncing things, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments. Always happy to take advice from you guys. Ooh, go Luka. Such an amazing season for this guy. Super stoked. Vince Carter. One of my favourite players growing up. We got complete players. Rudy Gobert. Kyle Guy for the Kings. Romeo Langford. Jeremy Lamb. And Hassan Whiteside. Seth Curry, Joe Harris, oh, nice, Tremont Waters Jersey Series, and behind that, oh, Ja, Great Expectations. I'm a big fan of the videos of the original Pac-Man. I'm sure many of you guys have seen him on YouTube. This is the sort of thing that he would usually pull. He gets a lot of Tremont Waters and the Celtics rookies. I'll put that down there. I'm also, just for those of you who don't know, I'm just splitting these card piles out into base cards here, highlights here, and everything else in between. So, you know, non-highlight rookies and inserts, that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm super happy to pull this one. Actually, I really like the Great Expectations design. And always good to get Jar. Also got Jalen Noel, Rui Hachimura, another good rookie. I've enjoyed watching him this season. He had some good interviews around All-Star Weekend, really into his Jordans, that sort of thing. Very cool. Ronnie Hurd, Lonzo Ball. Sorry if I'm a bit all over the screen as well when I'm showing the cards. Got my phone set up on a tripod here and then just trying to reach around to show the cards, so hopefully I'll get better at keeping them in the centre so it's easy for you guys to watch. Chris Paul. Bruno, sadly no longer with the Grizzlies. Andre Drummond, also on the move this season over at the Cavaliers. I gather from reading news recently that he's not all that happy being over there in Cleveland with the mess that's going on. Oh, nice, another Luka card. Always happy to pull that guy. Isaiah Roby. RJ Barrett, another top rookie. Very cool. OG Anunoby. Hamidou Diallo. Jarrett Allen. Yeah, I was lucky enough to watch a couple of the Nets games when I was over in America actually. We saw the Nets play the Suns. Devin Booker actually had a terrible game for the Suns. On that occasion, the Nets got the win, and then a few days later they played the Warriors. Probably the less said about the Warriors, the better this season. Clint Capella, Wendell Carter Jr., league leaders Joe Harris, another Net. Kind of unappreciated, I think. Really good shooter. Got Carson Edwards, Jalen McDaniels, Thomas Bryant, and Ben Simmons. Always love the drama in Philly. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the future there. And beating Simmons. Danilo Gallinari, Jalen Brunson, Kevin Huerter, Isaiah Thomas, Orange Laser. Ty Jerome for the Suns, Tremont Waters again, Giannis. Do you reckon he's going for another MVP this season? I mean, the stats look good. Crazy athletic, just great player. Harrison Barnes. Got Van Maker, Spencer Dinwiddie, J.R. Smith. Yeah, another Giannis, complete player. Goga Pataz, Admiral Schofield, Brandon Ingram, and Nikola Vucevic. So who are you guys watching this season? Who are you most excited to see as we head towards the playoffs? Drop it in the comments below. Let me know your favourite teams, favourite players, that sort of thing. It'd be good to see what other UK collectors are into. And collectors around the world, not just UK. Jay Crowder, also no longer with Memphis. Michael Porter Jr. Robert Williams III. Great Expectations, another nice card. Ty Jerome. Tyler Hero, another good rookie. Heat are doing good things this season. Ball. Josh Richardson even, and Enes Kanter. I'll try and get through the base a little bit quicker. You guys are just really after seeing the hits and that sort of thing. Try and hurry this up a bit. It would help if I could get new packets a little faster, so I'll have to work on that. Kevon Looney, Marvin Williams, Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, franchise features, Miles Bridges. Not a big fan of this insert, to be honest, but some decent players. Hey, Jackson Hayes. I'm a fan of this guy. He's really fun to watch with the Pelicans. He had a good run out earlier in the season. Still doing good things, even with Zion back. KZ Okapala, Robert Covington, and Derek White. Last pack of the first blaster. Let's see what we get. Oops, sorry, just get the stand there. TJ Warren, John Collins, Luke Kennard, Fantasy Stars, Karl Anthony Towns. What do you reckon, guys? Would Karl Anthony Towns be in your fantasy draft? Would you pick him up at the top somewhere, or not a fan? Let me know in the comments down below. Ja Morant, yes, another one. Chuffed about that. Kabengele, Steven Adams, and Troy Brown Jr. That was actually a really decent blaster. I'm quite happy with that. You know, fingers crossed. These were the last two blasters left on the shelf at Target. I think I picked them up in the East Village in New York on like 14th Street. Something like that. I see other people are good at picking out the fat packs, but I'm not good at it. Maybe that one, I'll put that to the back and see if that's the one with the memorabilia card in it. So, second blaster box, guys. Klay Thompson, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Thaddeus Young, Draymond Green, Orange Laser. Nicholas Claxton, Kobe White, Marcus Aldridge, and Mario Hezonja. Tristan Thompson, Trae Young, another player I really enjoy watching. Al Horford, complete players, Bradley Beal. What do you guys think? Was he snubbed at All-Star? Given how the Wizards have been doing? Keldon Johnson, Terrence Mann, Fred VanVleet, Markel Fultz. Domantas Sabonis, Larry Nance Jr., Mike Conley, Oladipo, franchise features. Brandon Clark. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the Grizzlies this season. Like I was saying, I enjoy watching Brandon Clark. I hope he goes on to do good things. He's got a lot of potential as well. I'm always happy to pick up any of his cards. Bruno Fernando, Jeff Teague and Patty Mills. Nikola Jokic, Marcus Smart, Andre Iguodala, another guy who's brought a bit of drama this season, the whole supposedly not wanting to play with the Grizzlies thing, and then Marshawn Brooks, I think, and John Morant had a bit to say about it. Andre Iguodala, whoa, DeAndre Hunter, Purple Laser, number to 15, wow. That's a really nice pull. That's definitely a good hit. I mean, the Hawks have obviously had their struggles. Hopefully things can only get better over there. Let's see what this guy can do. Yeah, it's a super nice card. Purple Laser. Okeke. Kevin Porter Jr., Frank Ntilikina, Donovan Mitchell. I think I said the wrong name before as well. It wasn't Martin Brooks, I think, with the Grizzlies. When it was kicking off on social media, I've kind of gone blank on all of that. I correct myself down in the comments when I post the video. Malik Monk, Will Barton, Gordon Hayward, Nikhil Alexander-Walker. Did I already get that? Oh, the orange laser. Check towards the end when we go through the cards again. Cam Johnson, Jordan Poole, Brook Lopez and Buddy Hield. Got into that one a bit better. Alfonso McKinney, Miles Bridges, Victor Oladipo. Great Expectations, Jarrett Culver. Another good rookie. Jarrett Culver again, double Culver. Darius Garland, Alfred Payton and Pascal Siakam. Kev Love, Rajon Rondo, Gary Harris. Franchise features, Steph Curry. Matisse Thybulle, Taylor Horton-Tucker, DJ Augustine and Kyle Anderson. Terry Rozier, Draymond Green, Contavious Caldwell-Pope, Changing Stripes, Kawhi Leonard, Sekou Doumbouya, another high potential guy, Jordan Bourne, Demi Lillard and Derrick Rose. Courtney Lee, Jaylen Brown, Kevin Durant, complete player Kemba Walker, Cam Reddish, Brazdeikis, Rudy Gay and Kevin Knox. 2 packs left. See what we got. Nicholas Batum, Aaron Holiday, Matthew Dellavedova, Great Expectations, PJ Washington, DeAndre Hunter, Daniel Gafford, Devin Booker and Chris Middleton. Right, last pack. Let's see what our mem card is. Sorry, hit the stand again. We've got Quinn Cook, just TWT, Tremont Waters. Can you believe it? Is that exactly the same as before? Yep, 2 blaster boxes and 2 identical jersey cards. That's not good luck, is it? Oh yeah, we got double Nickeil Alexander-Walker. That's crazy. How often does that happen? Whoa, another Zion now. Like I say, I really love that card, so more than happy to pull it. Dylan Wilner, Alan Smolagic, Bam Adebayo and CJ McCollum even. So that's it for this break. Let's just have a quick look at some of the cards that we got in the highlights pile. Zion, always great. Jarrett Culver again. We've got Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Orange Laser, twice for some reason, and this lovely DeAndre Hunter, Purple Laser, 6 out of 15, very nice. Got Brandon Clark, Draymond Green, Orange Laser, got John Morant, Jackson Hayes, Tyler Hero, Isaiah Thomas, RJ Barrett, Rui Hachimura, Great Expectations jar, double Tremont Waters, mem cards. The patch is actually slightly different on these, but still, it's crazy to pull that twice. There's the double of the Nickeil Alexander-Walker and Zion. So, probably my favourite cards. Not bad for the 2 blasters. I mean, they're $20 each, so you can't expect too much out of them, really. But yeah, some nice cards. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Appreciate you bearing with me as I get used to this whole YouTube thing and pulling packs. Also picking up the confidence just to talk through what I'm finding. If you think you might enjoy the sort of videos that I produce, then definitely hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell if you would like notifications, and drop me a comment. Let me know if you're a collector, let me know where you're based. It'd be great to find out about some of my viewers. But thanks very much. Stay tuned for the next one.